Giving Back 2026. Cheryl at Inked Pulp is the person that is responsible for blessing me with this package of just wonderfulness. I haven't even opened it yet. But all I can tell you is Cheryl, and I'm going to link her explanation of what Giving Back 2026 is. It is something that she wanted to do, and she has invited others to come along with her on this journey and to also participate. And I would encourage you, if you have a giving spirit, to do that. Because there's nothing, in my mind anyway, because I am a giver, I do love to give. There's nothing more rewarding than that, to give to someone, to help people, to smile, to bring relief to others. It just is. There's just nothing like it. And in her efforts to launch this, she's done a few things already. And I'm going to link a couple of her videos, one that will explain what this is, what Giving Back 2026 is for Cheryl, and a couple of other posts and things that she's done to show what she's doing to accomplish this. Cheryl, my friend, thank you so much. I am truly honored to be a part of your efforts to give back. She writes me this wonderful note, and it's on, I'll just have to show you the stationery. It's on that embossed stationery that's just so beautiful. Thank you so much. Let's open this together. Let's get into this. I am super excited about seeing what's in here, and it's just amazing to me to be a part of such an incredible community of people, like-minded people who want to do just that. They just want to give, they want to create, they want to give. Oh my goodness. Look at these. Oh my goodness. I'll tell you this. It's so funny that Happy Mail comes exactly when it needs to, doesn't it? I have plans to do another Mod Podge session with napkins. However, this weekend here in southern Louisiana where I'm at, oh God, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. It's going to be very wet, like rain, and like I may not be able to swim into work Monday, is what they're saying, what they're predicting. So, but I will keep these on the side, and you'll see me break these out when that session happens. We will definitely be breaking these out, because now there's also another technique that I can use. I don't know if I'll do that this weekend though, but I'll show you both techniques in another video. Thank you, Cheryl. Those are precious. I love them. I love this right here. This is, I've recently discovered that I need to start picking this up, this width of ribbon in my thrift stores, because it's perfect for dangles and charms, or dingle dangles, as my friend Birdie calls them. I just giggle every time Birdie says that. I think that's so fun. And she had me at fabric. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, this is beautiful. I love it. I love this. I love this fabric. Oh, this is lovely. I think I have the perfect... Oh, I haven't talked about this journal yet because I've started collecting for it, and I'm not going to mention it here, but I think I have the perfect journal for this. Cheryl! And then, of course, the trims. Can never have enough. I think you can never have enough. I saw this one. I saw Cheryl using this one. That's gorgeous. Look at that satin. And this is so dyeable. All of it is, really. I've never dyed my ribbons or my laces. I should try one day, huh? Look at that print on that floral. This is gorgeous. Thank you, Cheryl. Thank you so much. And then, of course, can we take a moment? This is a journal cover in and of itself. I've never tried this either. And I don't have any of these placemats like this, not the quilted ones. So I appreciate this, Cheryl. You may see me try a journal. You may see me, because I've seen other creators do it. There's a lot of tutorials out there for it. Thank goodness for tutorials. Oh my gosh. I don't know where I'd be without YouTube and tutorials. There's so many talented folks out there. Let's see. These are wonderful. And I have... Y'all are never going to believe this. I'm telling you, I have a video idea in regards to plain playing cards. And these are grand. Thank you, Cheryl. I love this size doily. And the journal that I'm thinking about, this is like really the perfect size. This is all perfect. It's really, these are perfect. This pale pink is perfect. I'm telling you, these are perfect for that project that, now I don't know when I'll get to it. You know, I have more projects, more ideas than I do time, but I love this. Oh, I love that. This is beautiful. Oh, this whole card is beautiful. Look at this. Oh, wow. Look at this envelope even. It's like got a brushed kind of, it's not textured, but it looks like it is. That's really cool. Let's see this one. Oh, look, the little kitty cats. I love this realistic scene. Oh, Cheryl. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Now, let's get to the goodness in this. Wow. This is beautiful. I'm working on something right now. I haven't shown y'all this either. I've got some little journals that I'm working on. This paper, and I'll go ahead and show you one. I just wanted to make some journals at a different price point. And so I wanted to make some really simple kind of journals. And I have some others that are not, it's not a botanical field. They're like different variations of that same thing. Well, Cheryl, this may be perfect for that botanical one in particular. And I needed one more page. I needed one more page. This is so fabulous. Oh, definitely can use this. And I will definitely use the file folder. I'm telling you right now, file folders have become my latest obsession because I'm backing so many things right now. One of them being, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to back some fabric. That's one of my projects this week. I'm going to back some fabric, and we'll get into that in another video. But all of this it's just, it touches my soul to know, Cheryl, that you thought of me to give back. And I appreciate you very much. Whatever I can do to support this movement for the rest of this year, I'm happy to do. I think it's wonderful, and I hope that several of you will go to Cheryl's video that I'm going to link here. And for those of you who enjoy giving as much as folks like Cheryl and me, as much as I do, go out there and do your part. Do what you're comfortable with doing. Anyway, thank you guys so much for dropping in on this video. I appreciate each and every one of you. And remember what I always say. I do really hope that whatever it is you get to do today or in the next few days, it is at least as much fun as I'm going to have using all of this stuff that my friend Cheryl shared with me today. Thanks, and we'll chat soon. Bye.